Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you your Firestick could become a free, endless library of movies and TV shows? No more expensive subscriptions, no more monthly bills. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Nova TV on your Firestick in just a few simple steps. This is the most up-to-date method for 2025, and by the end of this guide, you'll be streaming like a pro. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Now let's dive in. Nova TV is a fantastic free streaming application that aggregates links to thousands of movies and TV shows from across the web. Think of it as a super-powered search engine for video content. It doesn't host the files itself, but finds the best available working links for you. It features a beautiful, clean interface that's easy to navigate, with content sorted into categories like trending, most watched, latest movies, and TV series. You get high quality streams, often in HD, even 4K, with multiple server links to choose from if one fails. It also includes advanced features like a watch list and real Debrid integration for premium links. If you are looking for a fantastic offer, then IPVANISH is currently offering 83% off on their 2-year package. You can take advantage of this by clicking on the QR code on the screen that will take you directly to their website. To complete this setup, we will need the downloader application. If you do not have this, we will just quickly install it by moving across to Find, drop down to search and type in downloader. Once it appears in the list, you can just select it, and this is the one we need to install so that we can sideload applications on our Firestick. Once installed, we can open it up, double click on the bar and enter in the following code: 56711848, and then just hit go. Okay, now install, done, and now we can delete the install files. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, drop a comment and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.